Switching to a new phone is always exciting, especially if it's the brand new iPhone 17. But there's one part that nobody looks forward to, and that's the data transfer nightmare. Long hours of waiting, incomplete transfers, or even worse, losing important WhatsApp chats and photos. For many people, moving to a new device means choosing between convenience and data security. But with Wondershare MobileTrans, you don't have to compromise. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to move all your data from an old Android or iPhone directly to your new iPhone quickly, safely, and without losing a single file. Imagine this: you just set up your new phone, and the default transfer app shows 10 hours left to complete transfer. It's frustrating, and honestly, nobody has that kind of time. Or you discover that to move your WhatsApp data from iOS to Android, the official method requires formatting the new phone. That means wiping out everything you already set up. That's not just inconvenient, it's stressful. This is where MobileTrans changes the game. It's designed to save you from these common headaches by offering a much faster and much more complete transfer solution. MobileTrans is available for both computers and mobile devices, and it works with Android and iOS. It supports transferring up to 10 types of phone data, including contacts, photos, videos, music, call logs, messages, and even apps. It also covers chat apps beyond WhatsApp, like WhatsApp Business, Line, Viber, and Kiki, which makes it the most comprehensive transfer tool on the market. And here's the best part: you don't need to reset or format your phone to use it. That means your existing data on the new iPhone remains safe and untouched while you bring over everything from the old phone. Let me show you exactly how it works. First, head over to the official MobileTrans website or use the download link in the description or pinned comment. Once you download the installer, just click and follow the setup steps. MobileTrans is available for both Windows and macOS, so you can use it no matter what computer you have. When the installation is done, you'll see a clean, user-friendly interface with three main sections: WhatsApp transfer, phone transfer, and backup and restore. These cover almost everything you might want to do with your phone's data. Now, let's try transferring WhatsApp data from an Android phone to an iPhone. On the main screen, select WhatsApp transfer. MobileTrans will ask you to connect both devices with USB cables. Connect your Android phone first, then your iPhone. If you're using Android, you might need to enable USB debugging so your computer can read the files. Don't worry if you haven't done that before. MobileTrans shows you clear step-by-step instructions. Usually, it's just a matter of going into Settings, tapping About Phone, then Software Information, and tapping the build number several times until Developer Options unlock. From there, search Developer Options, scroll down, and enable USB debugging. Once that's on, the phone will connect instantly. After both devices are detected, MobileTrans automatically identifies the source and destination. If they're reversed, just tap the flip button to switch them. Now, you can choose what type of content you want to transfer. In this case, I'll select WhatsApp data, which includes chats, photos, voice notes, stickers, and even videos. Click Start, and MobileTrans begins the process. You might see a few pop-up instructions along the way, like turning on or off encrypted backup in WhatsApp or temporarily disabling Find My iPhone. Each step is explained clearly, and you just need to follow the prompts. After that, the transfer runs on its own. While the process runs, you can actually see progress on the screen. It's much faster compared to the official methods. MobileTrans's WhatsApp transfer is up to 90% faster than the built-in Move to iOS option and about 67% faster than most competitors. That means you won't be waiting hours just to see your messages appear. And when it's finished, all of your WhatsApp chats, media, and attachments appear on your new iPhone exactly as they were on your old device. No gaps, no missing messages, no corrupted files. It's as if you've just continued where you left off. Now, let's take a look at the phone transfer option. Suppose you want to move all your contacts, photos, videos, call logs, and even apps from one phone to another. With MobileTrans, just select the Phone Transfer tab, connect both devices, and choose what you want to move. You can transfer everything or just specific categories. The beauty of this tool is that it doesn't require a factory reset on your new phone. So if you've already set up your iPhone 17 and added some files, don't worry. You can merge the data without losing anything. That's a huge advantage compared to official transfer methods. And if you don't want to use cables or a computer, MobileTrans also has a mobile app available on iOS and Android. This lets you do wireless transfers on the go. Imagine being out without a cable and still needing to transfer data. Just open the MobileTrans app, scan the QR code, and start the wireless transfer. No mobile data is consumed, so you don't have to worry about your data plan. It's fast, secure, and very convenient. Another feature that's often overlooked is backup and restore. With MobileTrans, you can back up your phone data to your computer or even selectively back up WhatsApp chats. Later, you can restore them to the same phone or a different one. This adds another layer of safety because even if your phone is lost, broken, or stolen, you'll still have a secure copy of your important files. You can even restore iTunes backups with it. For people who want full control over their phone's data, this is incredibly useful. So, what makes MobileTrans stand out? 3 things: speed, security, and flexibility. It's faster than official transfer methods, it keeps your data safe without forcing you to format, and it works across more apps and devices than almost any other solution out there. Whether you're moving from Android to iPhone, iPhone to Android, or even just iPhone to iPhone, MobileTrans handles it all. And with the iPhone 17 launch, it's the perfect time to use it. Before we wrap up, there are also special promotions. Between September 4th and 19th, you can participate in the MobileTrans event by selecting the data you want to transfer on their website and sharing a poster. You'll have the chance to win AirPods Pro, Amazon gift cards, or free MobileTrans licenses. And between September 20th and October 20th, you can get up to 60% off when purchasing a MobileTrans license on their official website. So not only do you save time, but you might also save money or even win prizes. So here's the bottom line. If you're switching to the new iPhone 17, or even if you're just upgrading to any other phone, don't waste hours struggling with slow, incomplete, or risky transfers. Download MobileTrans today and move your data the smart way. You'll get all your contacts, photos, videos, messages, and WhatsApp chats on your new phone quickly, safely, and without losing anything. If you want to try it yourself, click the link in the description box and pinned comment. It will take you directly to MobileTrans so you can download and start transferring right away. Comment MobileTrans down below to let me know if you're planning to use it, and don't forget to share your experience if you already have. And of course, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips.